baby.
No, stop, Mom.
You first up on that.
Sneeze again. Come on. Is he getting ready?
Tim's got allergies? Oh. Dude, Tim's got allergies?
Here it comes. Aw, yawn. Big yawn. Oh, gonna sneeze. Whoop. Here it goes. Whoop. Tim needs some Zyrtec. Come on.
Here goes.
Oh, flary nostrils. Oh, too funny. My gosh, this is hysterical. Oh. Ew, don't sneeze on me. He's like snorting.
Alright, that's enough. They sound like
Couple more sneezes. Oh, yep. Ooh. One more. No. Oh, here it comes. Oh my God.
Zang.
One more sneeze. Oh, yeah. Oh.
Aw, he's suffering and you're laughing at him.
His face is hysterical. Oh. He's like. I think something's like caught, like in the back of his throat, and he's like trying to.
He's trying to get ready to cough up a hairball.
Don't go away. Yeah, Tim's are stretching. All right, that was funny. Good job, Dusty. He'll be going on YouTube. A little bit more? No, now he's gonna rest. Alright, bye.